Make your business stand out. Let people find your brand in the dark. Hello guys, this is Leon. If you have many shops, don't miss the lightbox I will introduce today. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news about us. Let's go. This is called desktop lightbox. It has 12 hours power duration. You can change posters quickly, only 1 minute for replacement. Aluminum alloy frame, tempered glass, LED energy-saving light source. The magnetic structure design can also help you prompt installation and light up. Last year, we sold 2,000 sets of this product. I was so amazing when I heard about this. But at the same time, it proves our customers have 100 trust on LCSIGN. No matter when, we pursue quality first, so if you are looking for some signs that can help your business or a reliable sign supplier, don't hesitate to choose us. If you haven't already subscribe to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit the like button and comment below. Life isn't perfect, but our sign can be. See you next time.